Six Flags has announced that they will be removing 15 rides from their parks nationwide. Now, right by the Bloody Waterfall in the Spain section of Six Flags Over Texas, one of the candidates for removal resides. That's right, you guessed it. La Vibora is one of the rides rumored to be on the chopping block down at Six Flags Over Texas. And this would be a sad turn of events, quite frankly, because there are only a handful of these types of coasters left in the world. These are the Inatamin Swiss Bob model, and this one in particular actually was originally at Six Flags Magic Mountain in California, named Sarajevo Bobsled. Back in 1984, when the Olympics were at Sarajevo, I actually was able to get on the sister coaster to this one at my original home park, Six Flags Great Adventure, with the same name, Sarajevo Bobsled. We waited about 4 hours online, and then you got that anticlimactic 1.5 minutes of ride time. But they are a really good ride. This one used to be called Avalanche when it was originally moved to Six Flags Over Texas, and they ultimately changed it to resemble more of a snake and fit in with the Spain theme on that side of the park. But so Six Flags, like we said, has been, they actually announced they're going to be removing 15 rides, but they haven't announced exactly which rides they are going to be. So when you look at Six Flags Over Texas, there are a couple options, but this one in particular seems to be a really legitimate consideration because, number one, there are so few of these coasters left that parts and all that are difficult to come by. Maintenance is an issue, and ride capacity. As we all know, ride capacity has really been emphasized in coaster manufacturing over the past decade or so, and with B&M and the like, just having such good ride capacity. Rides like La Vibora are not able to capacitize as many guests as a lot of the newer coasters. So sadly, we may be looking at the end of this wonderful ride. It had a long life. So many wonderful memories on these coasters, but it just might be a thing of the past very, very shortly. So why don't we take a short ride, 1 minute and 40 seconds, I think it is, on La Vibora, translation, the Viper, at Six Flags Over Texas one more time.